Welcome aboard the 2020 Grady-White 376. My name's Kip Beaudry, and today we're going to take you on a walkthrough and show you some of the awesome add-ons that we've put on this 376 Canyon. We'll start out on the transom of the boat, and you will see that we have done a complete custom paint job on these triple 425 Yamaha 4-strokes. They are two-tone colored in the Grady-White coloring in the gel coat, and also Ocean Mist, which is the hull side color on this 376. So I'm coming through the starboard side transom. Notice large door, as well as you have a port side dive door. Great entryways from both sides of the boat, pulling fish on or boarding the boat. Next, you'll see at the transom a very large refrigerated or frozen fish box. As we come into the cockpit, you'll notice very large beam. The 376 is 13.2 wide, so ample amount of fishing room for 4 to 6 people to fish the back of this boat. Also, large bench seat on the aft. So we're in the floor space, which you have easy access and labeled seacocks to your generator, your AC coolers, and both live wells. As you can hear, that is our Fisher Panda diesel-powered 5 kW generator running. So coming to the lean bar area, we've equipped this particular boat with dual live wells and a sink in the center. There's a few different options you can do. You can also do a grill here and do an individual cooler and one live well. Before we move to the helm area, there's one last thing. Up above, the Sure Shade. So we've made our way to the helm area. Notice, completely enclosure on the glass. Large electronics box, everything very nicely labeled all the way across. You have your helm master here to put us on set point. We're looking to bottom fish. Your bow thruster. This boat is equipped with a Seakeeper 6. This is your Seakeeper module. And best of all, AC and heat for those cold days or those hot summer days that you just want to stay cool with these triple helm seats all the way across. We've made our way down below. Notice the space in this boat. I'm sitting in what is also a forward berth and also turns into a nice little seating area. This seat will also retract up where you can sleep. But notice in this boat, very, very well finished out and thought out. Nice little sink area, refrigerator, your microwave. You have a sitting area if you want to shower. Great amenities down below. So beamy on the 376 Canyon, 13.2 wide, which makes for a significant bow. Lots of space, lots of storage, forward fish boxes. What better way to actually use a boat than fish it in the transom and cruise it in the bow? The 376 Canyon, you can do that. Those days you'd like to just take your wife or better half or beloved one out for a nice cruise, you can do it on the 376 Canyon with these forward-facing backrests, nice upholstery and bolsters forward, a great forward seat here as well, right in front of the helm. We'd like to thank you for watching this video today aboard the 376 Canyon. As we've made our way to our home port here at MarineMax Pensacola, we're using the set point feature that's featured by Yamaha, and it's holding us still as we get our dock lines and fenders ready. Again, thank you for watching this video, and remember, we're always open at MarineMax.com.